Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to create an encrypted and password-protected zip file on your Mac. It's a great way to keep your sensitive files safe. So to do this, we first need to open the Terminal app. A quick way to find it is to use Spotlight Search. Just press Command and Spacebar to open Spotlight, and then type Terminal. Okay, so first we need to tell the terminal where our files and folders are located so we can encrypt them. To do this, you're going to type CD spacebar. CD stands for Change Directory. Then you need to type the file directory where your files and folders are. Now, to make this a little easier, open Finder and navigate to where the files and folders you want to encrypt are located. Once you're there, go to the top of the Finder window and hover over the directory name until you see the folder's name clearly. Now, simply drag and drop this folder from Finder into the terminal window. It should appear as a path. Great. Now press Enter. We are now successfully in that file directory within our terminal.
Now commence the magic.
We need to tell the terminal that we want to create a zip file that is encrypted and password protected. To do this, type zip and then spacebar. Next, type E, which stands for encryption. Then, type R, which stands for recursion. This basically means it's going to include all of the contents within any folders we've selected. Now, press spacebar again and type the name you want to give your zip file. For this example, I'm going to type example, and very importantly, include the file type which is .zip. So it will be example.zip. Done? Awesome.
Press spacebar one more time.
Now, we need to tell the terminal which files and folders we want to include in the zip file. For this example, I want to include test folder and example.com. So, let's go back to the terminal. I'm going to type test folder. Now a little trick here, because test folder has a space in it, we need to enclose the name in quotation marks. So we're going to type a quote, then test folder, and then another quote. Make sure you type it exactly as the folder is spelled. Press spacebar. Now, let's add our other file, example.com. So we're going to type example.com, and include the extension .com. Alright. We've included all of the files and folders we want in our zip file. Now press Enter. The terminal is now going to prompt you for the password you want to use to protect your zip file. Keep in mind that the password you type will not appear in the terminal window, but your input is still being registered. So, type your password carefully. Once you've typed in your password, press Enter. It'll then ask you to verify the password. So type it again, exactly as you did before. Once you've done this, press Enter one last time. And as you can see, it has now successfully created the zip file. You should see it appear, probably on your desktop. Once we've done this, we can close out of the terminal and Finder if you want. And as you see, the zip file has successfully been created. So to open the zip file and test it out, double-click on it. As you can see, it's prompting us for a password. So we're going to enter the password that we just created and then select OK. After a couple of seconds, it's going to successfully unpack the contents of the zip file. So if I open the extracted folder, as you can see, the contents are all inside. I can go ahead and start using them just as I normally would. And that's it. You've successfully password protected a zip file on your Mac. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Roam Tech for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.